put my ears in for a second because I can't really hear myself properly without them. Welcome to the final show of the tour, yay! Perfect. That reminds me of the X Factor final, except we can't lose today unless one of us falls. So that's always good. So what this is, by the way, just for anyone that might be slightly confused, we're doing a little sound check for you guys because there are a lot of songs in our last tour that we performed that we can't perform this time. So we're going to perform them for you right now. Well, not all of them, obviously, because that would just take the rest of the night. But we've got a couple of things, one of them being a 4 chords, because we're not doing that in the show. So we're going to do a couple of songs with that. So as soon as Max is ready, we'll be ready to start. And I've got a list of songs on my phone as well. You ready, Max? He never is.
No.
Okay, so we'll just wait for Max to sort himself out, and then I'll try and find some songs as well while he's doing that. You got it? I can't hear it. So could I please have that in my ears? Thank you so very much. Do you want to start it off with the one that you always do?
No. I'll save that one.
Alright then, let's see how it is. Do you want to start off with the one that we got asked to do? No, I don't know that one. Neither do I! Why did you tell me to remember it?
Pretend We Did Adore You by Harry Styles. Just imagine it happened.
What about,
I don't know any Harry Styles song.
that's so bad. What's that?
Oh yeah.
I do know that song. Okay, I'll just leave the Max and Harvey show. Okay, I've got one. She looks so perfect standing there in my American Apparel underwear. And I know now that I'm so down. Your lipstick stain is a work of art. I got your name tattooed in an arrow heart. And I know now that I'm so down. Yeah, 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 yeah. If you know any of the songs, don't be afraid to sing along with us. We're also like kind of warming you up at the moment. One Direction, alright, I'll do that. 'Cause we danced on to the best song ever. She knew every line. Now I can't remember how it goes, but I know that I won't forget her. 'Cause she danced on to the best song ever. I was left to my own devices. Many days spent away with nothing to show. The walls kept tumbling down in the city that we love. Gray clouds roll over the hills, bringing darkness from above. But if you close your eyes, does it almost feel like nothing changed at all? And if you close your eyes, does it almost feel like you've been here before? How am I gonna be an optimist about this? How am I gonna be an optimist about this? Roxanne, all she wanna do is party all night. Goddamn, Roxanne, never gonna love you, but it's alright. She think I'm a player. She keep running back though, only 'cause I pay her. Roxanne, all she wanna do is party all night. My last made me feel like I would never try again, but when I saw you, I felt something I never felt. Come closer, I'll give you all my love. If you treat me right, baby, I'll give you everything. My last made me feel like I would never try again, but when I saw you, I felt something I never felt. Come closer, I'll give you all my love. If you treat me right, baby, I'll give you everything. I made it. Said, hey, look, I made it. everything's coming up aces, aces. If it's a dream, don't wake me, don't wake me. Said, hey, look, ma, I made it, I made it. Said, hey, look, ma, I made it, I made it. I see it, I want it, I take it, take it. If it's a dream, don't wake me, don't wake me. Got any other thoughts?
Yeah.
Okay. You know how they say you got the real thing and nothing else matters. I love you like that, I love you like that, I love you like that. Love you, I love you, I love you like that. All I wanna see is I got the real thing and nothing else matters. I love you like that, I love you like that, love you like that. I love you, I love you, I love you. I turn my head, toss, check the nails. Baby, how you feeling? Head toss, check the nails. Baby, how you feeling? Yeah. Huh? Feeling good, Sam. Feeling good, Sam. It's just so hard to say goodbye when you're so beautiful. I know the way I need to in this tragic musical. La 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 la. Goodbye.